Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MP520 printer series on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MP520 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should say CAN support for PIXMA MP520. And then you want to scroll down on this page underneath downloads and expand the software and driver section. And then the third category here, select the My Printer file and then the download button. And then once it's done downloading, go ahead and open up to run it. Select yes, should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. And then follow through with the on-screen prompts here about installing this application, selecting your country or region, as well as the installation path. And if you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can, and select complete. And then hopefully you should be good to go. If you're still having a problem, you can launch that app and then select diagnose and repair printer, and then follow through with the on-screen troubleshooting guides on how to do that. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.